Hi everybody, it's me, B Fairly. I'm back with another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did a Flexi Rod set on my hair for the first time ever. These are the products that I use: the Purpose Collection hair and body oil, Purpose Collection hair butter, Lotta body foaming wrap, and the Eco Styling gel that I put on the tips of my hair. And I will have all of these products in my description box. So I previously washed and blow dried my hair, and I put the Purpose Collection hair butter and oil all throughout my hair before I started the Flexi Rod set. So now I'm just taking about a medium size section of my hair and then pulling the rest of it back. So I'm going to use the foaming wrap and I'm putting it throughout my hair. Now this is the first time that I've ever used this foaming wrap, so I'm just kind of looking at it like, how is this going to work? Because I felt like it just wasn't penetrating through my hair. And I don't even know why I got these glasses on, because I ain't even looking at my hair through the glasses. I'm looking over it. So the first time I wrapped my hair, it didn't come out right. It just dropped. So I had to redo it, and I figured once I wrap it and then twirl it, then it stayed. And this whole entire process was like literally trial and error. It took me so long, y'all, to do this hairstyle. So for the next piece, I'm doing the same exact thing, putting the foaming wrapping lotion in, and I started to realize, like, once I got my hair wrapped around the Flexi Rod set, that it was unraveling at the end. So by the third one, I realized that I needed to put some gel at the tips of my hair. Now, you do not want to put gel all throughout your hair with a style like this. You will be sitting under the dryer for eternity. By the time I got in the middle of my hair, it started to get real. I had to take off my glasses and get to work. Now, it started getting a little bit more easier. I had a routine going. Like I said, I realized I needed some gel at the tips of my hair. I needed more oil and more hair butter because I felt like my hair was a little dry. And the foaming wrap at the end. So, like I said, I had a routine going, and I started to pick up my speed a little bit. But it was still a long process nonetheless. But I know the next time I do my hair like this, I will probably get it done in half the time. So I ran out of the gray medium side rod, so I had to use the blue ones that I bought. And I was finally done. I sat under the dryer for about 2.5 hours. And even after the 2.5 hours, I realized the back wasn't dry, and I had to sit back under the dryer for like 30 more minutes. So as you can see, I'm just taking my hair down. Taking them down was the easy part. It was putting it up that gave me fits. Okay, y'all, so by this time I didn't know how it was gonna look, so I just put on some makeup to balance it all out. If it didn't work out, maybe my makeup will balance it out. So now I'm just pulling my hair apart. I did put some of the Purpose Collection hair butter at the tips of my finger so I could pull my hair apart. I usually do a side part, but for this style I decided to like bring some of my hair up to make this little bang up front. I'm just trying to do something different. The whole entire style was different for me. Well, the Flexi Rod was different for me, so I was just trying to make it, you know, all work out. So now I'm going to use my comb so I can fluff and puff my hair to the volume that I want. You can pull apart and fluff as long as you want, just so you can get the look that you want. This is the finished look. I really like it. I can't believe it took me this long to do a Flexi Rod set, but I would definitely be doing it again. The Purpose Collection oil and the butter got my hair glistening and so moisturized. I love the foaming wrap. Everything just came out great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.